Tuesday, August 28th, or 20, Tuesday, August 6th, 2024. 28, what am I talking about? I'm going to show you how to get a perfect bunch of bananas. So we come up here, we look. Okay, that looks pretty good, but that one's got a little spot on it. And it's, no, those aren't ripe enough. Hang on, let me try it. I don't want that many. I don't want all of those. I think I just need 3, so. Let me, 4 there, take that one off. There we go, 4, perfect. Oh wait, that one's got a little spot on it too. Oh yeah, look at the bottom of that one. That's not gonna do. Let me keep looking here. There's 5. Here, we'll take one of those off. That'll be perfect. What do you think? Did I do okay? The chip guy was watching me do that. He was laughing a little. Ooh, harder lemonade. I guess the other stuff wasn't hard enough. Well, everybody, I hope you liked my day in shorts. I think I did, what, about 35 videos today? Just about everything I did all day, minute by minute. Ooh, $4.99, what's that? Ooh, mussels, that's only 1 pound. This is what you want, the 2-pounders. Ooh, it's only $7. That's not too bad. I don't see anything that's on sale cheap enough. I guess I'm just gonna get bananas and go home and have some pancakes. Banana pancakes. Mmm.